Hi there folks, welcome back. Sunset Scooters and Big Bikes Thailand. Today we're going to dive into the wonderful world of Honda, where many of us have been and many of us love to go. This one's a lovely bike as well. It is a 2022 Honda CB500X, only 20,000 kilometres, got a bit of gear on it. It's got the crash bars, the driving lights, upper and lower crash bars there, the bark busters, finished in the matte black, which sure they look good in the black. It's got a brand new tyres, brand new chain and sprockets, and as you can see, the bike is very, very clean. Doesn't appear to have fallen over on its side or anything like that. It's just a very, very nice clean bike. Very popular bike these in Thailand, the CB500X. See, for the economy of them, they're certainly not gas guzzlers, and the comfort. You can put your bum on one of these for a good 3 or 4 hours and still be all right afterwards. And the versatility of the bike, you can do a little bit of off-road and your highway stuff. They'll cruise along very nicely at 110, 120. It's a good cruising speed on the highway for these bikes without them screaming their guts out. So, as you can see guys, just a very, very, very nice clean bike. And this one is priced at 168,800 baht. 22 model, 21,000 Ks with all the gear on it. Not bad value at all. Not bad value at all. But as you can see, the bike's as clean as even under here. I don't know where he's been, but it's not far. It's just as clean as a whistle. Very, very, very nice. So there you have it guys. It's another one for today. We will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.